Okay, friends, respective of the Jeep Comanche, the owner and I have decided to replace the passenger side rocker panel due to the probability of intense rust on the inside of that, which an indicator of such was when I blasted the truck, 2 or 3 small rust holes appeared here. After removing the other one due to negligence on my part, which was admitted to the owner, and I fixed it at my cost, and he's happy about it, which is good. That's all I'm out for, is to make sure people are happy and satisfied with the work I'm doing. And the amount of rust that was in that other rocker, he kind of leaned into it, and I was leaning into it anyways to replace this one because of that. Not just because of this, although this is now the overriding reason to do that, but we were going to replace that, or at least take it off, dig inside, remove the rust, put it back on after it's all treated. But now we're just going to change it out. But the reason I'm making this video is because this one has a gap right here that the other one did not have. And I think you can see daylight there on the inside of the ruler, right there. Now the other rocker, before I removed it, it didn't have that gap there. This is just one of those little small details that you miss. And even if you don't miss it, there's nothing you can do about it because you're not going to change it. But since we're now changing it, I want to put it on record with a video showing just the gap in there. Also, right here, I want y'all to see this lower A-pillar outer support bracket and how it's not even. This line right here, not the red line, the body line, is not consistently even with the body line on the actual rocker. So it's got a very large gap in there. Now that would be covered up with a door sill plate. And it will still be covered up with the door sill plate, but when I put the new one on, that will be fixed. That'll be rendered properly repaired. Let me show you on the other side those same areas without those said gaps in there. Now if you look here, the phone is wanting to adjust to the bright sun, but right there you can see how that is good. And you can go over here to this one, and that one also is good. And the tool guy's here, so although I don't owe him any money, he wants to sell me something, which is fine. I'll at least indulge him for a little bit. But that's what we're going to do on this to get that fixed. So there we go. Cheers. Okay, everybody, or at least anybody interested in repairing / replacing Jeep or any vehicle's rocker panels. There it is. I've freed everything up. Slipped out of my hands, dang it. That didn't go good. Well, here it is. At least you know that I'm not an AI video. One thing about AI videos, I hate them. I can't stand them. They're just so, they're artificial. I just can't stand them. That's definitely not me. Where is this? And we did have some rust through here. Is it going to rust out through here again? It's going to rust here. And sometime eventually over here. There is protection in there. There is a some kind of a spray-on protection or dipped protection. You can tell here because of the bubbles, like in these bubbles here. I think that's some kind of a zinc dip. Before they put primer on it, they dip the whole vehicle in there. So here's that one. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Don't know what this is. Oh, I know. That's one of those rubber body plugs. So it's actually not bad right there. Let's go in here and look. Yeah. And try to get this positioned. We'll get that cleaned up. Get all this inside cleaned up. And get the new one on. It's kind of funny I said that I'm not an AI video. Curious how many of y'all out there just know what I'm referring to when I say AI videos. I mean, it seems like that's all that's on YouTube these days is AI videos. Finding somebody actually talking like I'm doing, kind of rare. Or getting more rare. Okay, well, there we go. And let me show you the new one. That would probably be a good idea. Right here. Make sure I don't drop it. Very first fit on. Little areas like right there need to be trimmed to get this thing to fit in properly. And yep, there's the new one. Okay, folks, cheers.